Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Marcus. Today's topic is going to light a fire under you. We're talking becoming a millionaire. Let's face it, the idea of joining the Millionaire Club sounds pretty darn amazing, right? But have you ever wondered, is it really possible for someone like me? Well, get yourself biro and a note, because I'm about to reveal 5 millionaire facts that shatter myths and prove anyone can become a millionaire. Yes, even you. Hold up a finger. But before we dive in, smash that like button, hit subscribe to join the wealth building journey with me of the Millionaire family, and let me know in the comments below what steps you've already taken towards your own millionaire dreams. All right, let's get started with those millionaire facts. Fact number 1, millionaires aren't born with silver spoons. Millionaire myths, anyone can become a millionaire. We've all heard the stories of trust fund babies and inheritances, but the truth is, most millionaires are self-made. In fact, a study by Source revealed that over 80% of millionaires built their wealth through hard work, smart investing, and a bit of hustle. This means, regardless of your background, you have the power to build a 7-figure fortune. If you agree with, let me know in the comments section. Fact number 2, they have specific habits, millionaire habits. Millionaires aren't lucky as lazy people believe they are. They have a set of habits that propel them towards success. These habits might include things like setting clear financial goals, prioritizing saving and investing, and constantly learning and growing. Let me know in the comments below, what's one habit you've incorporated to improve your financial situation? Fact number 3, they don't fear failure, and that's a millionaire mindset. The road to riches isn't always smooth. There will be bumps, detours, and even downright setbacks. But millionaires understand that failure is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. But those with poor mindset will not pick up themselves. Millionaires, the rich and the wealthy, learn from their mistakes, pick themselves up, and keep moving forward. So the next time you face a financial hurdle, remember, it's just a chance to get stronger and smarter. Fact number 4, they focus on value, not just income. That's the secrets of millionaires. Millionaires aren't just chasing the biggest paycheck. They understand the power of building value. Whether it's through starting a business, investing in real estate, or creating something others find valuable, millionaires focus on activities that generate long-term wealth. If you do the same, then you will be rich too. Fact number 5, they start early, what millionaires did in their 20s. The power of compound interest is a real thing. The sooner you start investing and building your wealth, the more that magic of compounding can work for you. Don't wait until you're older to get serious about your finances. Even small amounts saved and invested in your 20s can snowball into a significant fortune down the road. If you have learned something new or you are motivated by this video, tell us what you like most about the video. There you have it. Those are just 5 facts that prove you can absolutely join the Millionaire Club. Remember, it's all about mindset, habits, and taking action. Keep believing in yourself, keep learning, and keep taking steps towards your financial goals. Most importantly, keep solving problems, and you will be rewarded accordingly. Let's all build those million-dollar dreams together. Leave a comment below telling me what millionaire fact resonated most with you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep chasing your millionaire dreams.